Hey! Are you watching the cars? You like it outside, don't you? You like it out here, huh? You still got food all over your face for lunch. So where we sit under the tree. Sit under the tree. He loves it. He loves it because over here is a street and he watches the cars. So he likes that a lot. Don't you? Yeah. Just playing outside. About 75 degrees today. Perfect day. Wow. What is that? Yeah. Fresh air is good for us. Wow. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.